Hi guys, welcome back to Tax Q&A. In the last video, we answered some common questions our users have while filing their taxes on Quicko. And in turn, we got some more queries. So here we are with the second part on answering FAQs related to ITR filing on Quicko. Let's get started. Veer asks, I'm using two different brokers, Fires and Zerodha for equity and FNO trading. Is it possible to connect both of them in Quicko? Thanks. Absolutely. A lot of people use multiple brokers for different use cases and Quicko supports that. We've partnered with all the top brokers in India and you can connect as many as you use. This lets you easily fetch both your capital gains and trading income without dealing with spreadsheets or manual entry. And if your broker is not listed, no worries. You can import data using our Excel template or simply enter data manually. One important thing to note here is that your short-term and long-term gains need to be added in the capital gains section, while FNO and intraday data needs to be imported separately in the business and profession section. Harpreet is saying, while filing my return on Quicko, it's asking me to file Form 10 IEA. What is it and how to file it? Okay, so this is one of the most asked questions this year. See, the new regime has been the default tax regime for some time now. But if the old regime saves you more, you can still pick it. Just that it's not as simple as ticking a box, at least not for everyone. The tax department wants you to file Form 10 IEA, which is like your declaration to the ITD saying, I want to change my tax regime this year, either from new to old or vice versa. Now, who needs to file it? If you have income from business or profession and you want to change your regime this year, you must file Form 10 IEA. You will have to go to the IT portal to file Form 10 IEA, and we have listed the detailed steps in this tax Q&A thread. Once you have filed it, you will get an acknowledgement number that needs to be entered on Quicko. So go to the additional details section, tap on Forms Disclosures, and there you will find the option to enter Form 10 IEA details. Remember that if you plan to continue in the same regime as last year, no need to file it. And even people using ITR 1 or 2 can also switch regimes without any extra form. Neha asks, I imported FNO data and see a pending action that says missing balance sheet. What should I add there? Whenever you report business income like FNO or intraday, adding a balance sheet is part of the process. To do this, head over to the Assets and Liabilities section. Don't worry, most fields here are not mandatory for stock trading. But at the very least, under Assets, enter your bank balance as on 31st March of the previous financial year. If you want to claim depreciation on any asset used for trading, like a laptop, click Add. Enter the description, select the type, and fill in the purchase value and date. Under Liabilities, you can add any loan taken specifically for trading. If there's none, you can simply skip it. Once these details are in, the pending action will disappear and you're good to go. Tanuj says, I incurred some losses in the past FY. How can I add these brought forward losses on Quicko? To add brought forward losses, go to the additional details section and scroll down. You will find a card for it there. You can either fetch the data directly from the income tax department or enter it manually if you already have the details. That's it. Once added, these losses will be adjusted automatically while calculating your tax. Palak is asking, I have foreign income and assets. How can I add them while filing ITR on Quicko? These days, a lot of us invest in foreign stocks or international funds. And if you do, reporting them in your ITR is mandatory. To add foreign income, go to the Other Income section and look for Other Foreign Income. Click Add Foreign Income, choose the asset type, select the country, enter a brief description, amount, and save. Now, if you own foreign assets but have not earned any income from them, you still need to report them. Go to Additional Details, scroll to Personal Assets and Liabilities, click on Add Personal Assets, choose the asset type, select Foreign, and fill in the details. These do not add to your taxable income, but it is still very important to disclose them in your ITR. Diti is asking, I've paid tax abroad. How can I claim foreign tax credits on Quicko? To claim a foreign tax credit, head to the Tax Credit section and click on Add Tax Credit. Then choose Add Manually and click Proceed. Next, select taxes withheld outside India, fill in the relevant details and save. That's it. Your foreign tax credit will be accounted for in the ITR. Suhani asks, I have some FNO losses this year and brought forward losses from last year. Can I see how all these are adjusted or carried forward on Quicko? Absolutely. And this is something we really take pride in at Quicko. We have spent a lot of time thinking about how to visualize your tax data clearly so you know exactly where every rupee goes. To see how your losses are adjusted, click on Tax Computation and head to the Loss Adjustment tab. Here, you will find a simple and intuitive breakdown of how current year and brought forward losses are being set off and what's being carried forward across income heads like house property, capital gains, and business income. We have tried our best to make loss adjustments super easy to understand. Hope you like it as well. Krupa asks where to show exempt incomes on Quicko. Go to the other income section, scroll down and click on any other. You will find a field labeled exempt income. Just enter the amount there and save. Anything you report here in this section won't be added to your taxable income. And with that, it's a wrap. If Google search is too much work for you, Quora is full of opinions and ChatGPT is not accurate enough, then you should check out Tax Q&A, where you can toss questions and our tax experts give quality answers. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe so you do not miss out on what's coming next. See you in the next one.